Oh dear kids, welcome to Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. Today we are going to watch all another exciting story. So let's go. Before watching a story, do like, share and subscribe Daniel Heather Cartoon for Kids. So let's start today's exciting story. A peaceful pond surrounded by a tall grass and blooming flowers. Frogs croaking and birds sing in the distance. Once upon a time, in a beautiful pond, there lived a curious frog named Frodo. Frodo loved to hop around and explore every corner of the pond. He had a big dream to adventure beyond the lily pads. One sunny day, while Frodo was resting on a rock, he spotted something sparkling under the water. Frodo hops closer to edge of the pond. Frodo leaned forward and saw a shiny fish swimming gracefully beneath the water's surface. It was a beautiful fish with the shining scales, and it was none other than Finley, the friendliest fish in the pond. Hello, Finley. Frodo called out. Finley popped his head out of the water and smiled. Hi, Frodo. What's up? I was wondering what it's like to swim under the water. It looks so fun, Frodo said with excitement. Frodo jumps from lily pad to lily pad while fish swing below. Frodo watched as Finley swim effortlessly, darting through the water with grace. I wish I could swim like you. Frodo's eyes finally smiled. You know, Frodo, you can try. The world is full of surprises. If you want to hop into water carefully, you might feel the magic too. Frodo thought for a moment. I am not sure, but I will try. Frodo stared at the water's edge, looking nervous. Frodo took a deep breath, and with a big hop, he landed gently in the waters. Splash! The water is cool and refreshing, but Frodo quickly realized he couldn't swim like the Finley. He paddled with his legs but kept sinking. Help! Frodo shouted, splashing his arms around. Finley swims closer, ready to help. Finley quick swam over the Frodo. Don't worry, Frodo. I'm here to help you. Finley threw a Frodo push over her head and gently guiding him through the water. You are doing great. Just trust me. Water and float it all about finding the right rhythm. Frodo took a deep breath and relaxed. Slowly he started to float and he smiled and happy. Frodo and Finley swimming together in the pond with the Finley's help. Frodo began to learn how to glide through the water. At first, he splashed around a lot, but with every try he get a little better. Soon Frodo was swimming beside the Finley, feeling more confident with every stroke. This is amazing, Frodo exclaimed, and I never knew what the water could so beautiful. Finley smiled. You just have to trust yourself, dear Frodo. Frodo was very happy and swam very gracefully. Frodo is now swimming gracefully with Finley under the moonlight as the sun began to set, casting a golden glow light over the pond. Frodo felt proud himself. He had over imagined that he could swim, but with a little courage and to help a friend, he was swimming like a pro. I think I am swimming frog now. Frodo laughed. Finley chuckled. You are more than just a frog. Frodo, you are a brave adventurer. I'm very happy for your effort. There's a big waterfall in the distance. One day, Frodo and Finley came across a big challenge. A waterfall had tumbled down from the rock with a mighty roar. Do you think we can pass the waterfall? Frodo asked, his eyes wide. Finley thought for a moment. It's tricky, but we can do it. We need to swim carefully and stick together with a determined nod. Frodo agreed. Let's go. We can do it. Frodo and Finley swimming near the waterfall. Frodo and Finley swim together carefully, making their way toward the waterfall. The current was strong, but they stuck close and to each other and worked as a team. Frodo was nervous, but remember what Finley had taught me. Trust the water and trust himself. With one big splash, they swam past the waterfall and emerged into a new part of the pond, full of colorful plants and even more fishes. We did it. Yes, we did it. Frodo cheered. Look at this new world. Wow. Frogs and fish gathering around the pond at sunset. As the stars twinkled above, Frodo and Finley made their way back to home. They shared their adventure with the other frogs and fishes, who cheered for their bravery. That was the best day ever. Frodo said, "Become, I will learn so much and I have made a great new friends." Finley smiled, but the best adventures are the ones you share. And from that day on, Frodo the frog and Finley the fish had many more adventures together, exploring every corner of the beautiful pond. So, dear kids, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna meet you in the next exciting story. So, until goodbye and take care.